Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone's having a good weekend so far. This is my latest video for Jill Norwood's Saturday Morning Makes. Hi, Jill. Hope everything's going well with you. And it's been a while since I've been on. I did have our craft show a couple of weeks ago, and I'll let you know how that went at the end of this video. I want to welcome all my subscribers and also the new subscribers. Thank you so much. And I saw a video done by Connie. She is Prairie Paper Crafts, and she made some Halloween treat boxes. And so I thought I would do a couple of those, and that's going to be the video for today. I have 3 that I did. And this one is very much like the one that she did, other than, of course, different papers. I don't have very many Halloween decorations or paper pads or anything like that. So I just try to use what I have in my stash. And it's a good way to get rid of some scrap papers. So this paper piece is it's called Witch Bear, from Little Scraps of Heaven Designs. And like Connie, I did Hocus Pocus down here with my computer. Oops. And when you open it up, I'm trying to straddle my tripod here. Let me try to zoom out on this. Oops, wrong way, of course. Okay. This paper piece here is a design from Treasure Box Designs. It's called Scaredy Cat. And these are some thickers that I had in my stash. They were silver, and I just colored them with a Copic marker. This design does come with the lettering for this boo, which for some reason I didn't cut out. I didn't know that, so I just used my thickers. Over here I put Happy Halloween, my creepy little friend, which I thought was cute. And this holds 3 Ghirardelli chocolates, and of course a Hershey bar. So that's the first one. This one is pretty much the same, just a different color scheme. This is with the purple and the bats. And again, the boo and the chocolates. I plan on giving 2 of these to my neighbor for her and her sister. She checks up on us now and then, which is so nice. Not many neighbors do that anymore, so you have to appreciate it when you have it. This one here is a little bit different. This one is Scaredy Cat. The Scaredy Cat is from Treasure Box Designs. It's the same, I believe, the same file as the ghost. And again, Happy Halloween, my creepy little friend. I wanted to put some little spiders on here so bad, but I says, keep it nice, Deb. Somebody might not appreciate opening this up and seeing a little rubber spider. So that's that one. And these I had in my stash. These are just some stickers, some glittery bats. So those are my 3 Halloween treat holders from the idea from Connie. I will try to remember to link her channel below. with her tutorial. And so again, 2 from my neighbor, and 1 is from my girlfriend who just became a grandma. So happy for her. So that's really all I have to show today as far as the craft show 2 weeks ago. It got off to a slow start, and it was kind of worrisome in the very beginning because there were so few people that were coming in, but it was on a Saturday, and I think people were just getting out of church. It did pick up during the daytime, but nonetheless, people had said who did this craft show last year that sales were really low this year. It seemed like the same amount of traffic of people coming in, and people were looking and they liked what they saw, but just not buying. And I think the inflation is, certainly it's getting to everybody. So one crafter there, she had said that she made over $500 at that show last year. And this year, she's lucky if she cleared $100. I did okay. I mean, I made my money for the booth rental fee, and I made a profit, so I'm not complaining. I do, however, have a lot of inventory that I'd like to sell. I don't think I'm going to do another craft show this year. So if anyone's interested, let me know if you'd like me to do a video showing items that I have for sale, in case you're looking for some Christmas gifts a little early. Let me know. I do plan on keeping the prices very reasonable because I know you would have to pay shipping. So let me know if you're interested in seeing a tutorial, seeing a video on the items that I have available. Until then, everyone have a great week, and I hope to be back next week with another video. Be good, be safe, and spread love. Thank you. Bye.